Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, roll formers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you this really nice roll former to see how this works. The way that you count these stands out, they call these stands. Each one of these are going to have different tooling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stands. You can see as it goes down, the shapes are different on each stand. So these machines have to be pre-tooled. It is pretty expensive, but you can retool them. All you need to say is I have an 8-stand machine. You know the diameters and you can go get the tooling, put it in, retool it, and make whatever shapes you need. So these machines are really cool. All you do is you can take a piece of simple light gauge sheet metal, you put it in, and on the other side you'll get a couple different shapes. Here we have a simple 90. And on the other side of the machine, you can see this seam lock here. So we'll run that through, let you see how that works. Again, 2 sides to the machine. All you have to do is push this in. Watch as it goes down here. It's almost like magic to watch the bends start. Now you can see here, that's our fold seam. I'm going to use this other piece here. And you can see there's our 90. Again, all these machines make different shapes. You can see over here, we have another machine. This machine is single phase, by the way, 220 single phase for these shapes. This particular machine is a 3-phase machine. You can see the different seam lock that it made there, made these two actually connect. So if this is the type of machinery you're looking for, if you have something to buy, sell, or trade, if you're looking for a different type of seam lock, please let us know. Let us see if we can find something for you. If we have something in stock, give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.